Alright, this is the homework help video for chemistry homework 4.4, and this is dealing with ionic Lewis structures. I'll do the first one, the third one, and the sixth one for you. The first, third, and sixth. So let's start with sodium and chlorine. This is kind of the classic ionic Lewis structure here. We've got our metal, which is sodium, and it's got one valence electron, and our nonmetal, which is chlorine, and it has 7 valence electrons. There are your electron dot structures. Neither one of these are satisfied yet. To form the ionic Lewis structure, all we have to do is take this electron and give it to chlorine. So we're going to have sodium plus 1 and chlorine minus, and that'll give us our ionic Lewis structure. We do need to add the valence electrons here, so I'm sorry. And that is your ionic Lewis structure here. Moving on to the third one. Oh, sorry, we also need the formula here, which would, in this case, would just be NaCl, because we only need one of each. Moving on to the third one, we've got sodium and oxygen. So sodium, again, with just the one valence electron, and oxygen, which has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 valence electrons. Oxygen here needs 2 in order to be satisfied. So we're going to have a sodium that's given up its valence electron. And we know that oxygen here, now it would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So at this point it would only have a -1 charge. So we're going to add another sodium here, something else to give it a valence electron. Another +1 sodium. Now we could have our satisfied oxygen atom, and that would give us this entire structure as our ionic Lewis structure. So our formula here is Na2O. 2 sodiums, 1 oxygen. Okay, for the last one here that I will do, that's going to be the fifth one, which is aluminum and chlorine. And I'll go ahead and move down here. We've got aluminum, which has, whoops, that's not an A. We've got aluminum, which has 3 valence electrons, and chlorine, which has 7. So we're going to have, this one's going to be a little bit different. We're going to have an aluminum, gosh dang it, we're going to have an aluminum, there we go, with a +3 charge, but it wants to get rid of 3 different electrons, and chlorine only needs 1. So we're actually going to have 3 satisfied chlorines, each with a -1 charge. -1. And -1. Remember here that there are no physical bonds. There is an attraction between the aluminum and these chlorines, but there are no physical bonds because there's no shared pair of electrons. It's just an attraction between something negative and something positive. And there's just an attraction there. And your formula here is AlCl3. That's the homework help video for homework 4.4. I hope it helped. Lewis structures are awesome.